Hey guys, Jared the Therapist here, and I got this product to review, and this feels so good. I'm constantly on my feet every day, and this is a great amount of relief that I have to look forward to when I get home. This is the MOUNTRAX Foot Massager. It comes in this little cube here. It's extremely light, so it's really portable. It has non-slip suction cups on the bottom here. When it's on the floor or on a solid surface, this is not going to go anywhere. Not only do you have heat, you have massage, and then you also have air compression too as well. It comes with an extremely long power cord, so you can use this even if the power outlet's a far distance away. It is so easy to use. You've got your time, heat, power, kneading, and air compression. You have 15 minutes or 30-minute sessions. The heat is automatically on when you first use it. Kneading of either low or high settings, and then you have air compression of low, medium, and high. This can fit up to size 12 shoes. So I've got a size about 11 and a half, 12, and this thing works so well. The temperature on this gets to about 115, 113 degrees Fahrenheit or less. I don't feel like this gets too hot for my feet. It feels just right. So I would always recommend wearing socks when you're first using this. This is extremely easy to clean. I live in a house with cats, dogs, kids, so there's hair everywhere. But these are so easy to clean off. These little pockets here, they just come right out with the zipper. Unzip this here with the zipper, and then you can take it out, throw it in the wash, let it dry, and then put it right back in. So this pocket is easily clean. The benefits of the heat, the benefits of the compression and the kneading, it should help with your pain and circulation. But on the inside here, you have multiple massage balls that move around to help give you that massage to the bottom of your feet. This remembers your set. If you leave this on a 30-minute session with heat, low kneading, and let's say medium air compression, it's gonna come right back to that setting. So you don't have to come back and change it every time. It also comes with this pen here. So that way you can customize this, write a little note. If this is a Christmas gift, you can write Merry Christmas on this or Happy Birthday, and then give this to your person. So I really like that a lot. This would be a great gift for any dad, because I can tell you, I am using this so much at the end of the day. It comes with the instruction manual here as well, and it can be used anywhere. Like I was saying, this is so portable. I use this in my computer chair, use this on the couch. If you're thinking about getting this or trying this out, I would highly recommend it. You're not gonna go wrong. It feels so good. Personal favorite settings on this is a 30-minute session with heat, high kneading, and low to medium air compression. That's my favorite. But you'll figure out what you like best, and I hope you guys check this out.